Welcome friends, happy to be again with you. We have heard about this terminology leaking bucket, and in my earlier video I had given a reasonably detailed explanation about the terminology, how it is being utilized in communication systems to manage traffic, for marketing part, and in our personal life also how we can utilize this terminology for further improvement. Today, I plan to tell you a story about another leaking bucket. There was an old man. Regularly, he goes to a nearby river, having two big pots with him, kept on a bamboo pole. He will fill water in both the pots from the nearby river, and with great difficulty balance both the pots on that bamboo pole, and he will slowly walk to the temple. By the time he reaches the temple, what happens? One of the pots, it is having 2-3 small holes. So when he is walking from the river to the temple, balancing these two pots on his shoulders, drop by drop, water is being lost from the pot which is having holes, and it will be just about half the pot once he reaches the temple. So this was happening for quite some time. The pot with the hole, it was pretty unhappy. This old man, with such a great difficulty, he plans to bring water from the nearby river, but because of his defect in the form of that hole, he is not able to do justice to ensure that the entire full water is reaching the temple. One day, this pot with the hole, mustering lot of courage, told this old man, "Sir, I am really sorry. In spite of your best efforts, I am not able to do justice to the effort which you have taken. By the time we reach the temple, I am almost empty. I am really sad." The old man smiled. Just smiled. Again he went to the river, took water, filled both the pots, slowly walked back to the temple, and en route, he told the pot with the hole, "Look to the ground. What you see there? Beautiful flowers, beautiful plants with lot of nice flowers. On the other side, whether the pot was absolutely intact, there was not even a blade of grass." He told the pot with the hole, "Even with your deficiency, you are contributing something for everybody to appreciate, everybody to enjoy. So your deficiency is absolutely no reason for you to be dejected or depressed, because it is contributing something to the society to rejoice." It's a great lesson. Every human being will be having some kind of defects, and there may be lot of reasons for a person to get dejected and depressed because of this defect. But even in those conditions, there is possibility for you to contribute for the benefit of the society without losing anything. For a human being, even with some kind of defect, rather than getting dejected, we have to get ahead in life. We have to manage the life. We have to make our life meaningful by initiating something at least beneficial for others. So your defect may be the reason for the enjoyment of somebody else. Is it not a matter of enjoyment for the person also, for that particular human being also with the defect? So never be depressed, my dear friends, with any kind of defect we are having. Everybody will be having the defect. The issue is that even with the defect, are we able to contribute something to the society? Everybody can contribute. There are opportunities. We will be able to do it, and this feeling itself will be bringing lot of joy to our mind, and that joy will be the reason for us to have a good existence, enjoy our life, enrich our life, enrich others' life. That would be the best thing which we can do. Okay, friends, all the best. Thank you very much.